BMW's new DTM prizefighter, the M4 GT3, made its successful racing debut earlier this year at the 24 Hours of Dubai and is now entering the German DTM season with some fresh new livery. The G82 M4-based Rochecker made big waves when it was first announced, and replaces the highly successful BMW M6 GT3, which was a revolutionary car for BMW in the Deutsche Tourenwagen Masters (DTM) Championship. But as a new season with new teams approaches, it's the liveries of the M4 GT3 that we're interested in. Both Walkenhorst Motorsport and Schubert Motorsport will each run two of these high-tech race cars in the coming season, and both cars will feature some iconic colors and sponsorship decals. The Walkenhorst Motorsport M4 GT3, affectionately known as the Green Machine, will be driven by none other than two-time DTM champion Marco Wittmann, and will feature a striking green in the livery that has been the team's trademark look since the 2019 DTM season. Wittmann's teammate Esteban Muth will pilot an M4 GT3 adorned in sponsorship decals from trusted M Motorsport partners Cattle and IQ. Schubert Motorsport also continues its own tradition of competing in the highly recognizable Shell colors. Shell has been heavily involved in the development of the BMW M4 GT3, and with South Africa's Sheldon van der Linde behind the wheel, the company is highly confident of its chances for this year's season. Shell has been working alongside BMW M Motorsport engineers in DTM to formulate a Shell Helix Ultra Race lubricant for use in the new BMW M4 GT3, delivering long-lasting and improved engine performance and efficiency. Shell welcomes back Sheldon van der Linde to once again race in our colors of Shell for Schubert Motorsport, and we wish the team all the best for the new season. Timo Resch, Vice President Customer, Brand and Sales at BMW M, says he's excited about the new cars. "I am thrilled that, as we do, our long-term BMW M Motorsport partners continue to recognize the huge potential of the DTM platform and have decided to support the BMW M Motorsport teams, Walkenhorst Motorsport and Schubert Motorsport, in 2022. I really like all the BMW M4 GT3 designs. They will be real eye-catchers in a large field. Thank you to all the partners for their support." The 2022 DTM season kicks off on April 30th with the opening race at Portimão,